Hi guys, this is my video on how to get the Galaxy S4 weather widget and the Galaxy S4 wallpapers on your Galaxy Note GT N7000. As you can see, we have the Galaxy S4 weather widget over here and we don't have any issues with it. It's working fine. I've been using this widget since the last one day and it's working fine. Have had no issues at all. Even we have the Galaxy S4 wallpaper here. So to get this, hit link 1 from the description. This is the Glory ROM for the Galaxy Note. Alright, and as you can see, this is the Glory ROM. Download that ROM, and in that thread itself, scroll down, you will get additional modes for this ROM, like the CRT off animation, green circle battery, Galaxy S4 wallpapers, and Galaxy S4 weather widget. So let's go ahead and so guys, I'll again flash this ROM. So use Fields kernel to flash it. It doesn't matter whatever ROM you're coming from. So this is the way to get it. Reboot into recovery by pressing the up volume, power and the home button at the same time. Keep holding it till you see the Galaxy Note displayed on the screen. You can let go the keys once you see this. So guys, once you are on your recovery mode, go to wipe data factory reset, hit wipe data factory reset and delete all user data. Now that's done, go back. Again go to wipe cache partition, wipe cache, go back. Again go to advanced, wipe Dalvik. Again go back, this time go to mountain storage, format system, yes, again go to format data, yes, again go to preload, format preload and hit yes. So guys, make sure you do all these wipes using the Fields kernel. Okay, now you go back, go to install zip, choose zip from SD card and navigate to the ROM file. That's the Glory ROM, and install it first. Wait for the installation to complete. And guys, these mods like the Galaxy S4 wallpapers and the weather widget works with this ROM only. So just wait for the installation to complete. I'll be back with you guys. So the installation is complete here. Again go back. Again choose zip from SD card. Go to install zip again. And guys, in that XJ thread itself, if you scroll down, you'll have this, extra mods here where you can download wallpaper, scrolling, CRT off animation, and pen only ink effect, circular green battery, Galaxy S4 weather widget, and the Galaxy S4 wallpapers. So you can get it from that XJ thread itself. So download these mods as well. And now again go to install zip. Right after you flash this ROM, again go to install zip, choose zip from SD card and select the Galaxy S4 AccuWeather widget and hit yes install. Okay, that's done. Go back. Again choose zip from SD card and choose the Galaxy S4 wallpaper this time. Yes. Okay, so that's done. Go back and reboot system now.